Back in Blue con Levi's en Sears. Encuentra 30% de descuento más hasta 9.
Alan y Torque me invitaron a participar en algo que ellos hacen, que es el reto Torque.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Japan and Korea, the host nations of the 2002 FIFA World Cup.
2002. So futuristic, and yet such a very, very long time ago already. This was a World Cup summer unlike any that had gone before. Except for the fact that Brazil walked away yet again with the world's most famous shiny trophy. But everything else was madly different and thrilling. A new millennium full of hope. New stadiums built like spaceships. New teams to admire. This was a summer when two nations, both alike in dignity, put aside their histories and made some more just for fun. So buckle up. Join us for the ride and celebrate all that was special about Korea and Japan.
Perfect.
C'est pas évident d'être un gardien de but. Après les tirages, quand on a su qu'on allait rencontrer la France, bon, j'étais à Monaco, donc bon, je jouais pratiquement pas. J'étais le cinquième gardien de but. L'entraîneur à l'époque, c'était Deschamps. Il m'a dit, tâche d'oublier tes gants. Après notre qualification, pour la première fois avec l'équipe nationale du Sénégal, c'était
The day of glory has indeed arrived. And when these nations last met in this manner, it was for a truly glorious game 9 who start here also started France's glittering 4-3 victory over Argentina at the last World Cup 4.5 years ago. The teams, and with Emi Martinez in goal, Argentina select the same defence as started the semi-final. That means a 100th cap for Nicolas Otamendi and Nicolas Tagliafico preferred at left-back to Marcos Acuna. Adjustment though further forward, the combative Paredes gives way to the creative Angel Di Maria, and Lionel Messi's 26th World Cup appearance represents a new record. He and Julian Alvarez account for 9 of Argentina's 12 tournament goals.
JR 東海の新幹線
JR 東海雨は夜更け過ぎに